M0FXB OpenSpot 4. Let's configure how to connect using just our phone and our hotspot, our mobile hotspot on our phone. So all you do is swipe down and then turn on your mobile hotspot. This is an Android device, by the way. And now you want to configure a password. So hold it down like so. And you've got the word configure here. So click configure. And I've just set for now Mercury as a username and passwords, Raspberry. Okay, so think about now that this phone is now going to act like a hotspot. We've turned it on, so it's sending out a signal. So we want our Wi-Fi on our OpenSpot 3 or 4 to connect to it. So hold down the Wi-Fi button here. So I've got my Icon 51 on 433,900, and that's my OpenSpot frequency. So when we hold this down, it goes into access mode. We should see it appear. We might have to set the frequency first. So let's hold it down. And if we can't hear it, it means we have to set the frequency. Now we're in access mode. See the way it's glowing green? So what you do now is go down and you want to turn back on your Wi-Fi. Hold it on, and now you're looking for OpenSpot. See that? It says OpenSpot 4. So it's going to connect now using the internet on your mobile phone. So let's tap it. If we're lucky, we'll be able to set the frequency. It should just sign into OpenSpot 4 network. We've done that. So with a bit of luck, we should now be able to connect to it. OpenSpot 4. Now I will tap it here, but if it doesn't work, there is another way. It's given us an IP address, 192.168.99.1. So now this has got nothing to do with the broadband at home now. It's completely, I could be out in the car, I could be on a hill, it could be anywhere. So now it's asking us, where do we want to connect? And we want to connect to that new password that we just set up, don't we? Which was called Mercury. There it is at the top. Remember we gave it a password Mercury. So we'll tap that. Tap that we want to connect to that one. It's going to ask for the password, which is Raspberry, RASPBERRY. Okay, and then we'll click connect. Once it's connected, it's given us some sort of warning. We're just going to go next. It's telling us that it's going to change the IP address. You're going to have to always use this phone to connect using the OpenSpot 4. Don't forget to change back. You just do the same process again when you're at home near your broadband router and put in the username and password of your broadband router. So we're now connected back to the internet. Next we want to do now is get back talking to the OpenSpot. So let's just close that down. We might have to put in a search. I might have an app here for OpenSpot. One that I've already installed. It's probably better I show you the new way. So let's go to Chrome. Okay, Chrome like so. You can hear it is trying to talk to the OpenSpot there, but it's probably not in DMR mode. So we'll go like that and we'll go shark rf.link. This is just in a normal browser. And we'll hit that. And hopefully it will connect us. Give it a minute. Okay, it did do it, but I did have to turn off the Wi-Fi because it started connecting to my home router because I'm at home. You wouldn't have that problem if you were out and about, but it did connect. Just remember, you turn off the Wi-Fi. But look, the mobile data's on. You need that on. Hotspot's on. So let's go back. We're now connected. Now, there's more than one device in this house. This device listed here is actually my other OpenSpot. We're going to need to connect to this device. So what you do, you turn it round and you put in the special ID number, which is here. It's the UID, and you put it into here and it will connect to it. I'll just get that in a minute. Every OpenSpot has its own ID. Just need to get the right number in there a minute. You got to remember the OpenSpot know what number you're using. So hit connect. And now we're going to be able to connect and start controlling everything. Yeah, it's a bit of a delay. This doesn't feel much faster than my OpenSpot 3, to be honest. But anyway, it's doing it. It works. It feels a bit heavier. Bigger battery, I would say. Right. So it's working. And now But we're on the wrong frequency, I would say. So let's do quick setup. Just go quick setup here. A little QS here. We're on a D-Star radio. 433, what is the right frequency? 433-900. We're going to say that we're going to connect to reflector. 1 Charlie. So there you go, 1 Charlie. Select that. We want the C as well. Go connect. And in theory, we should hear it on this radio. There you are. Not a great connection.
REF001 Charlie.
There you go. And you can...
Looking out a few clouds up there today. Not black, nasty thunder clouds.
That's good. And it's working now no different than it would on your PC. You've got your quick setup, you've got your profiles, you've got your settings menu, all here along the top. It's all there. You can still go onto QRZ by hitting the, the station talking. So that's it. That's how you set up your OPRNSPOT 4 or OPRNSPOT 3. I haven't used the others. To just use your mobile phone when you're out and about. And how good is that? And it's such a lightweight device. Question is, OPRNSPOT 3 or OPRNSPOT 4? Well, if you've already got a 3, I don't really think you need a 4. But then if you want 2 hotspots, why not? And it does feel solid. The 3 rattles a bit, doesn't it? This one doesn't. This one's solid, heavy, good quality. This is the Pro version, which works great as far as I can see. So 7.3, thanks for watching my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe and like button. Bye for now.